Saka mga Arabic tea, coffee pala, coffee tea. Saka dates, saka kung ano-ano pa. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyo mga lalabs. You are welcome host. Thank you so much. Sis Melvina Tomas. Thanks for coming. Ayan, mag-e-end na ako mga kalalab. Sorry ha. Jagdish, thanks for coming. Mga love shout out. God bless you and your family and your channel. Thank you so much. God bless you too and your family. Sis Melvina Tomas. Ayan. Sis Myra, thank you so much. Jagdish, thank you so much. Mega love shout out. Hello. I'm going to end my live streaming. Thank you so much sa inyo mga lalab. Cecily, thank you so much. At sa mga pasugod mo. Sisi Myra, thank you so much. Hanggang ngayon, nakatambay. Thank you so much sa support nyo. Lalabs ko. Sisi PSJ, thank you so much. Kapatid Toles, Guapo TV, thank you so much. Sino to? Efren Homrate, thank you so much. Anong main channel mo? Sisi Madam Purit, thank you so much. The Antica Games, thank you so much. Sis G Franco Mix Vlog, thank you so much. Lalabas kapatid, Januhan Sinya, thank you so much. Sisi Budos Twin, thank you so much. Edgar Skies, thank you so much. Welter Coins, thank you so much. Bibi Nikki, thank you so much. Sisi Iris D, thank you so much. Sinitali, ayan, thank you so much. Kapatid Flavio, thank you so much. Sisi Kongyan Vlog, thank you so much. Sisi Casey. Sis Jinxie Lai, thank you so much. Sis Leti, thank you so much. Update din ako, Sisi, bye all. Okay, Sisi, thank you so much. LYL TV, thank you so much. Bibi ko, thank you so much. Cecily, ayat na alagad mo, thank you so much. Sir Ben, namin Robin Official, thank you so much. Kapatid Pirata Vlogs, thank you so much. The Grey Salon, thank you so much. Charlene and Luster, thank you so much. Pahawado Baroba, thank you so much. Lord Rick Jason, thank you so much. Lord Rick. Ayan, thank you so much na sa inyo mga lalas. Bye-bye na. Sis Malvin, I going to your channel later, ah. Sis Malvina Tomas. Ayan, bye-bye naman.